Have you ever wondered why nutrition is so crucial during pregnancy? Let's delve into the importance of nourishment during this extraordinary time. Proper nutrition plays a significant role in the growth and development of your baby. It's like the foundation of a house. The stronger it is, the better the structure that's built on top of it. But it's not just about the baby. The mother's health is equally important. A balanced diet can help manage common pregnancy symptoms, from fatigue to constipation. It can also lower the risk of complications such as gestational diabetes and preeclampsia. Moreover, good nutrition can influence the outcome of your pregnancy. Studies have shown that a healthy diet can reduce the risk of preterm birth and low birth weight. So it's clear that maintaining a balanced diet is a must. The right nutrition can make a world of difference to both mother and baby. But what exactly should a pregnant woman eat? Stay tuned to find out. Fruits and vegetables are often hailed as superfoods, but why are they so beneficial, especially for expecting mothers? Well, these vibrant foods are packed with vital nutrients that both mother and baby need. For instance, leafy greens like spinach and kale are rich in iron, which is essential for the baby's growth and development. Citrus fruits, on the other hand, are bursting with vitamin C, helping to boost the immune system and aiding in the absorption of iron. And then there's the humble banana, a fantastic source of potassium, helping to maintain the mother's blood pressure at healthy levels. Let's not forget the power of the colorful bell peppers, packed with vitamin A, promoting good vision and supporting the immune system. Each fruit and vegetable holds its own unique cocktail of nutrients, all playing a vital role in a healthy pregnancy. Consuming a rainbow of these superfoods ensures a balanced, nutrient-rich diet. As we can see, fruits and vegetables are a powerhouse of essential nutrients needed during pregnancy. Knowing the benefits of fruits and vegetables is one thing, but how do you incorporate them into your daily diet effectively? The answer is simpler than you might think. Start with snacks. Replace processed snack foods with fresh fruits and veggies. A handful of berries or a crisp apple can satisfy a sweet tooth. Crunchy carrots or bell peppers can be a great swap for chips. When it comes to main meals, think about making fruits and veggies the star of the show. Add a rainbow of vegetables to your stir-fries or salads. Use avocado as a creamy sandwich spread instead of mayo. Don't forget about variety. Eating a wide range of fruits and vegetables ensures you're getting a diverse mix of essential nutrients. And remember, moderation is key. Even the healthiest foods can be overdone. Lastly, try new recipes and experiment with different ways to prepare your produce. You might just discover a new favorite dish. With these tips, incorporating fruits and vegetables into your diet can be a breeze. Let's take a moment to revisit the key points about the importance of fruits and vegetables during pregnancy. These vibrant foods are nature's gift, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that are crucial for the well-being of both mother and child. Fruits, with their sweet juiciness, provide natural sugars that are far healthier than the processed kind. They're also a great source of antioxidants, helping to protect both mom and baby from harmful free radicals. Then we have vegetables, our vitamin powerhouses. They provide a great source of folate, important for the baby's development, and fiber, which helps keep those pesky pregnancy-related digestive issues at bay. Incorporating these into your diet isn't as daunting as it may seem. Be it a refreshing fruit salad for breakfast, a vibrant veggie stir-fry for lunch, or a hearty vegetable soup for dinner. The options are endless. Remember, a healthy diet during pregnancy is one of the best gifts you can give to your baby.
Happy